Hey guys, Casey here. I want to show you a little trick about how to cope angle iron at a 45-degree angle. Check this out. All right, so say you want to join these two pieces of angle iron together with maximum weld. You may think that you would just take your speed square and strike a line at 45 degrees on either side and then cut it. And if you do that, this is what you're going to end up with. The reason being because a 45-degree angle on the face of the angle iron is not a 45-degree angle from the peak of the angle iron down. So how do we get that coping angle correct? The trick is quite simple. Lay your two pieces of angle together and get yourself a straight edge. So hard to do one-handed. Lay a straight edge across the surfaces and then trace. Once you come up with your trace line, you can take a angle finder and determine the angle and then copy that to your other side. I'm going to also move my line over slightly once I figure out the angle to make up for the thickness of the straight edge. All right, and there you have it. According to the angle finder, the angle is 54.5 degrees. And there we are, traced through the other side. All right, and there you go. 54.5 degrees, not 45. Take this, throw it away. All right, guys, so I hope you found that informative, interesting, helpful. You can trace out any coping angle that you're trying to do if you have the tools to basically line things up and project the line into the workpiece you're trying to intersect. But I like using math whenever possible. I'm a big fan of the speed square. Don't throw your speed square away. In fact, don't throw your speed square, because if it hits something hard, you're gonna damage it and then it won't be square anymore. But I like to use my angle finder too. I'll put a link to the angle finder in the description of this video. These pieces of angle iron are gonna be used to reinforce my Harbor Freight bead roller. That's gonna be in the next video you see. Just wanted to make a quick tip video for you guys because, you know, like all projects, this one's taking me a little bit longer and I'm trying to make a video every week. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like what you saw in today's video. Hit the dislike button if you didn't. Hit me up in the comments to let me know what you want to see more of in future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because those things help me keep the content coming week after week. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you soon.